Hello, 7th standard. For our lesson number 2, that is of geography, right? Geography lesson number 2. We finished most of the part in first video only. We talked about interior of the earth, that is uppermost part, crust, जिसके ऊपर हम रह रहे हैं. 35 किलोमीटर्स अंदर जाकर मेंटल शुरू होता है, जो 29 किलोमीटर्स तक गहरा है, और 29 किलोमीटर्स के बाद कोर शुरू होता है जो 3500 किलोमीटर्स तक अंदर है, राइट. आफ्टर दैट वी स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग अबाउट रॉक्स एंड मिनरल्स. वी टॉक्ड अबाउट 3 टाइप्स ऑफ रॉक्स: igneous rocks, sedimentary rocks and metamorphic rocks, right. So let us continue. We were on page number 9, below this picture of Taj Mahal and Red Fort. Okay, let us continue. You will be surprised to know that one type of rock changes to another type under certain conditions in a cyclic manner. सी, एक तरह का रॉक दूसरी तरह के रॉक में चेंज हो जाता है. लाइक वी हैव वाटर साइकिल, देयर इज रॉक साइकिल ऑल्सो. इग्नियस रॉक से सेडिमेंट्री रॉक, सेडिमेंट्री रॉक से फिर वो बन जाते हैं मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स. ओके, मेटामॉर्फिक रॉक्स के बाद में फिर वोल्केनो इरप्ट होता है, फिर मैग्मा और फिर इग्नियस रॉक्स. सो एक तरह से रॉक साइकिल चला आ रहा है. I will upload this very close picture of your this rock cycle also for you all with this explanation. Okay, this process of transformation of rocks from one to another is known as rock cycle. You have already learnt when the molten magma cools, it solidifies to become igneous rocks. ये हमने फर्स्ट वीडियो ऑफ दिस लेसन में पढ़ा है. जब माग्मा एग्जिस्ट होता है और जब वो सूख जाता है, उसके बाद इग्नियस रॉक्स बनते हैं. These igneous rocks are broken down into small particles that are transported and deposited to form sedimentary rocks. ये igneous rocks जब मूव होते हैं तो छोटे छोटे रॉक्स में कन्वर्ट हो जाते हैं, जिनको sedimentary rocks कहा जाता है. Are subject when the igneous and sedimentary rocks are subjected to heat and pressure, they change into metamorphic rocks. तो ये रॉक्स जो है, that is igneous rocks और sedimentary rocks, जब ज़्यादा प्रेशर में, मतलब ज़्यादा हीट, ज़्यादा प्रेशर मिलता है उनको, तब वो थर्ड काइंड ऑफ रॉक में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, that is metamorphic rocks. Understood? Which are still under great heat, and the metamorphic rocks which are still under great heat and pressure melt down and form molten magma. See, metamorphic rocks को अगर हीट और ज़्यादा प्रेशर मिले तो वो फिर से माग्मा में कन्वर्ट हो जाता है, और फिर माग्मा ड्राई होता है तो इग्नियस रॉक्स मिलता है. अंडरस्टूड? सो this molten magma again cools down and solidifies into igneous rocks. So this whole explanation is related to this rock cycle only. Understood? Igneous rocks बनते हैं, वो जब मूव होते हैं तो sedimentary rocks बनते हैं. जब igneous rocks और sedimentary rocks come under very much heat and pressure, then those rocks get converted into metamorphic rocks. And if still there is so much heat and pressure with metamorphic rocks, it gets converted into molten magma. When molten magma cools down, it gets converted into igneous rocks again. Understood? Rocks are made up of different minerals. Minerals are naturally occurring substances which have certain physical properties and definite chemical proportion. Minerals are very important to humankind. Some are used as fuels. For example, coal, natural gas and petroleum. They are also used in industries, iron, aluminium, gold, uranium, etc. In medicine, in fertilizers, etc. दैट इज रॉक्स में से कई तरह के मिनरल्स भी पाए जाते हैं और वो मिनरल्स जो है वो कई अलग अलग चीज़ों में कन्वर्ट किए जाते हैं। फर्टिलाइजर्स में कन्वर्ट होते हैं, देन वी कैन गेट मेडिसिन में मिनरल्स यूज़ होते हैं। मिनरल्स में से काफ़ी चीज़ें लाइक यूरेनियम, गोल्ड, एल्यूमिनियम, आयरन, ये सब भी हमें मिलता है। सो रॉक्स आर प्लेइंग वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट रोल, राइट? All types of rocks are giving different various minerals to us. Understood? So this is your lesson related to, okay? Now regarding this lesson on page number 10, we have question number 1 with 7 questions, okay? Then we have question number 2, tick the correct answer, and question number 3, match the following, right? Tick the correct answer and match the following. You have to do in textbook itself, no need to do in notebook, okay? You have to do only question number 1 in notebook. That is all 7 question answers you have to write in notebook. Question answers I will upload on PDF. That is you will be able to see in AB School app according to timetable when this video will be kept, okay? So along with this you will be able to see PDF also, okay? So all these answers you have to write, okay? But writing this answer, can you see 5th question is what do you mean by rock cycle, okay? After you write definition about rock cycle, you have to draw this diagram as well in your notebook, and you can do coloring of this also. Understood? You can do color also. I will just give you this picture how you have to do in notebook as well, okay everyone? So just go through both the videos, very small lesson is this, okay? So I'll be uploading question answers so that you complete this question answer writing in your notebook, okay? Once again I will remind you, we finished with civics 1 lesson and question answers are also uploaded for that. We finished with geography 1 lesson, already question answers are uploaded for that, okay? So this is geography 2nd lesson, question answers along with this video I will upload it, okay everyone? So take care. Oh yes, we have on page number 11 we have give reasons also, question number 4, give reasons, okay? So question number 1 and question number 4 you have to do in notebook. What you have to copy down in notebook I will upload it in PDF. Thank you.